Hello, my name is Rachel and this is my channel, The Girl with the Pilates Mat, and today I've got a special vibe for you. We're going to do 5 minutes of dance-based warm-up exercises to get you feeling happy and joyful for your day. So if you're ready, let's begin. Okay, just follow along. Gonna open, push forward, take it down, out and up. Now we're going to go over. Let's add the arms.
You know, I don't even really know where to begin, because it seems like every time I get ahead, I end up going 2 steps back. So tonight, I'm just going to let this one ride.
Take the arms up.
You know what I mean?
Do a little rotation.
One unique, one special.
Change sides.
No matter where you're from, all around the world, it's one unique, one special vibe.
Okay, stay here. Just pulse it out. Step. You can click those fingers if you want. Here we go, grapevine. Step back. Grapevine. Step back. Step. Circle, 2, 3, 4, other way, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, 3, 4, other way, 2, 3, 4, circle, 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 Other way. 3, 4. Thank you, everyone. I really hope you enjoyed that. That was our little 5-minute dance face to warm up. Do let me know what you think. This is the first time I've ever done one of those. So keen to hear your thoughts. Please do like, please do subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment. It's been lovely spending time with you. Take care and have a lovely day. Bye for now. If you'd like to support me and this channel, then you can buy me a virtual cup of coffee on Ko-fi. See all the details down below in the description box.